Let's see some more details about curve fitting. Let me use different variables for that. So we will visualize three-dimensional data in curve fitting. Let me define x is equal to say 1 to 100 and put a semicolon. If you don't put a semicolon, it will print all the data. So let me show you. If you don't put a semicolon here, the whole data will be printed. Okay, so the screen, your command window will be full with the value of x. So I will clear it. CLC. So how to write it appropriately? X is equal to 1 to 100 and put a semicolon. So this will appear here. It will not print the whole value of x here. Let me define some value y, variable y, and let me write it like x square. Okay, x squared, and say x square plus 1. Okay, so it will show error because x is not a single value variable, so it contains a whole array of 100 values. So for that, what you will have to do, you will have to define values like this: x dot square plus 1. So it means here like each value of x will be squared and 1 will be added. So this is the proper way of defining or writing a variable, a dependent variable, if it is in the form of array. Okay, so you can see now the value of y has been defined. Let me write some z value also. So let's write x z is equal to say log of x, log of x plus okay, let it be log of x. So we have now three values. It's not the exact way of using this curve fitting. You can use curve fitting where one variable is dependent on two variable. One dependent variable is dependent on two independent variables. For example, maybe you can say weather depends on wind speed and humidity. So you can use that kind of data. One company's sale depend on different factors, so you should use those data. Now click on curve fitting, select x in this x data, y in this y data, and z in z data. Now you can see this is a three-dimensional curve fitting. You can drag and place it at appropriate position. You have different options here: interpolate, Clovis, and polynomial. You can try different ones. Polynomial of degree 3, say this one. So you can try different options available here. So this is these are the options here. I will not going to just go into the details of interpolate and with a polynomial, but you can try different three-dimensional fitting here. It's not that appropriate because the data I have generated it manually. You should use it for a proper data which you can import and import and then use it in this curve fitting. So this three-dimensional data visualization through this curve fitting is also possible. And again, as I said in the previous video, you can uh, print it to the figure and use it in your any document. Okay.